Hi, it's Lori from Recipe Girl, and if you are a lover of bacon, then you are definitely going to love this recipe. We're gonna make candied bacon. Let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is line a baking sheet with foil. Then you're gonna place a rack on top of your baking sheet and spray it with baking spray so that your bacon won't stick to the rack. Okay, the second thing we're gonna do is get the candied part ready. We're gonna add half a cup of brown sugar, about a teaspoon of cinnamon to a bowl, and mix that together. All right, the next thing you're gonna do is take your strips of bacon and you're going to dip it in the brown sugar and cinnamon mixture. You don't wanna use thick cut bacon for this recipe because you're gonna have to keep an eye on it in the oven since it has sugar on it, so you really don't want it to bake longer, and if you're using a thicker cut, you need a longer baking time, which isn't good when you have sugar on something in the oven. As you put it on the rack, you're gonna just kind of press down on the spokes of the rack a little bit so that when it comes out of the oven, it's gonna be nice and wavy. Okay, we've got all our bacon coated and ready to go in the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees and we're gonna check on it at 15 minutes and make sure it's caramelized and getting crispy, and then we'll kind of see if it needs to cook a little bit longer or not. Okay, I have just taken the candied bacon out of the oven and it looks great. It is brown and crispy. It's got little grooves in it because of the way we pushed it through the rack. The rack has allowed the fat to collect underneath so we don't have a fatty bacon. This is going to be delicious added to salads or to breakfast or to a special brunch. Looks delicious. For this recipe and more, visit recipegirl.com.